One of the things I would like to mention, and if you'll permit me, I'd like to sing something that my mother had sung to me. Every Shabbos night in Transylvania, my mother used to sing with her mother, and I would imagine her mother had learned it from her mother or grandmother. It's something called Gott fin Avrom. Shabbos night, we used to wait for the three stars to go out, to come out rather. My mother used to take me on one side, my sister on the other side. After she had put a white tichela, kerchief on her head, she used to draw us close, close her eyes, and she used to sing with us this blessing, prayer, melody that she had learned at home. Gott von Avrom, von Yitzchak und von Jakob, Bahit in Basherem dein lieb Volk Yisrael, wegen deinem Leib, als der Liebe Shabbos Kodeschkeit erwecke, diese Liebe wach soll uns kommen, zu Gesinn, zu Leben, zu Schulung, zu Panusse, zu Getepesir des Teufels, Umen soll werden, wo Melech HaMashiach ben David soll kommen des Jahr. Kommen soll zu fuhren in seine scheine Zeiten, kommen soll zu fuhren in seine scheine Juden. Elinove kommt in sein Haus rein, nimmt der Becher der rechte Hand, macht der Bruch über den ganzen Land, der Bruch soll heuch sein, über den Zeug sein. Elinove kommt in sein Haus rein, bringt all das Kitz rein. Elinove geht von der Haus raus, trägt all das Beis raus. Tirin to steht doch offen zu dir, vor der Rachmil Shaddai, in siebten Himmel, die mir erlaufen. Tirin to steht doch, wo sie sehr vor der Rachmil Shaddai, in siebten Himmel, die mir erlaufen. Tirin to steht doch offen zu dir, vor der Rachmil Shaddai, in siebten Himmel, die mir erlaufen. A gete Woche, a gesinnte Woche, a gebenchte Woche, Amen. I can't do it without having my eyes closed. That's how I remember it. I've been told that this is something rare because this is a melody which is from the previous century and perhaps the one before that.